our channel, and we are the Kamm sisters! If you're new here, I'm Sophia, this is my sister,
Bella.
and today we are making our own soap! So, if we look here, it's just some fun soap, and we can make, cooperate with me, we'll need some scissors, and now we are going to open it. So cool. Look at, okay, so we have 20 tablets, 20 soap blocks, and some coconut scent, I think. And here's this. Then we're going to we have our molds, because we can make star, cat, cupcake, base of the cupcake, and this stack thing. Then we have,
Stickers and stuff.
Ooh, there's a little fishy. This to from tag, glitter for stars, and something from a ribbon for our fishy. And then we have our bag for our fishy, and stickers for our cats. And we can make this box right now. I'm good at building, so we got this. And oopsie, perfect box now. Okay, so we have our box here, which we won't need. So we're gonna start by making the star soap. Instructions. So it says we need to microwave 2 blocks of soap, but since we don't have a microwave, we're going to heat it in a double boiler. Let's open this. Okay. Bella, what color do you want?
A color?
I know, it smells. Ooh, the soap. It feels so good. Because it's soap. It only says 2 blocks and 2, but since we have 2 of us, you have 2 and I have 2. We take out 4 of these because 2 plus 2 makes 4. Obviously. See? It feels so weird. Oh my god, look at that. It's really weird. So this is coconut papaya oil. You guys can microwave it if you have a microwave, but we don't, sadly. So we're going to take our 2 color tablets. You have your 2 blue, and then I have my 2. And we're gonna get started. This is sticky, so it's messy. Okay, so we're going to take a pot and put these in. Make sure a grown-up or guardian does it. We've figured out that it takes 30 minutes to cool, so she's gonna do star, and I've decided to change mine to cat, emoji cat. So all it requires is an extra soap base and an extra color tablet. Boop. And we're ready.
I'm gonna go and get some candy. What? I'm gonna go and get some candy.
So our boiling water is done, well, my soap, and we're going to pour it into the cat mold. And then once it hardens, we get to put the stickers on. So let's get started. It's hardening now, and since that's hardening, in the meantime, we'll do pillows. Melt it. Yes.
That's enough. Say.
Oopsie. Yeah. Let's get this party started. So we forgot to put the glitter before she poured the thing in, but that's okay. But because we can put it on the top but we don't know if it's hardened already. So we'll just try it. So we're gonna make 30 minutes for them to harden, which I think they already have, but let's just let them keep hardening because they have to get all the way down to the bottom. So we're gonna let them harden. So our soaps have formed and we're going to make them smiley. But first, let's pop them out. Then we're going to test them.
Looks so good. Why is mine so small? Maybe because this is so small.
The bowl is so small. So if we're going to tattoo it, we need to make it like a tattoo. Bella is going to get this one, and I think I want this one. So, do you know how to make a tattoo?
Okay, so I just stamp it right now.
No. Okay, I'll teach you. We're going to place it like this. Centered, perfect. Yeah, okay. Then we're going to peel off the plastic. So you have to stick it so it's perfectly in the center. So we're going to take a sponge. Rub, hold, hold, hold. Hold, hold, hold.
I can't wait to see it.
Told you not to move it. Oh, I think it's ruined. Yeah, it's ruined. I'll teach you. I'll teach you. I'll teach you. And the tattoo doesn't matter. I can just wash my hands with the soap. So we're going to make sure all the sides are covered. Now we're going to just carefully peel it off. Tattoos. Sad.
Well, at least we get to wash our hands with it.
Yeah, okay, so let's just that.
First, me.
Okay. Is it working? Rub your hands.
It's working.
Like you're washing your hands. I love this soap. Say goodbye to that old soap. I love Hey! Evil. So this was so much fun. Now I don't have to wash my hands with that boring old soap over there. So this looks so great. Look at mine.
Look at mine.
So you can, this is what it's called. And you guys should definitely get this. It's called Make Your Own Soap by Klutz. Certified 100%. This is what it looks like. You can get it off of Amazon or Amazon.
This video was not sponsored by Amazon, although it should have been.
And until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, and